The IR Repeater Extender system allows you to control devices from behind closed cabinet doors or devices not directly in view of your position. The system floods your entertainment system devices that you want to control with IR signal, so you are able to easily control them, even if they are hidden or out of the line of sight. IR Repeater Extender system is made up of a dual frequency IR receiver that picks up the signal from your remote and emitters for sending the signals to the components. In between them, they plug into a IR repeater controller and a power supply. Here are the key features. This new system is very small and easy to hide. Compact dual frequency IR receiver. Includes 2 dual IR emitter, so you can control up to 4 audio-video devices right out of the box. If needed, you can purchase separately another 2 optional dual emitters if you choose, so to control 8 audio-video devices. IR confirmation blink on the control center. This system includes 1 IR repeater controller, small size only, 4" by 1 1/4 inch. 2 dual head IR emitters, includes 10 feet of cable. 1 dual frequency IR receiver, 1 inches by 3/8 inch. Includes 10 foot of cable, 1 AC adapter. This system is easy to install. 1. Place the receiver in your desired location. You can attach it to the location with the included double-sided tape if you wish. 2. Place the IR emitters on devices that you want to control. Place them on or by the IR window on the devices by peeling and sticking the emitters on the device. 3. Plug the IR receiver into the IR receiver jack on the compact IR repeater controller and plug the IR emitters into the emitter jacks on the controller. 4. Mount the hidden controller in cabinet with the electronics and plug it in and you are done. This home theater accessory is so easy to use. It sets up in minutes and requires no drilling or rewiring. Your friends will think you had a pro install it. Learn more today at HdtvHookup.com.